Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for recruitment. So the first thing that we need to do is simply go to Trello.com, hit the enter button, and make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't, make sure to go and create a new account. Now, how to use it for recruitment. Of course, if you are not alone, you have some members, make sure to invite them. So if you simply go to this left panel, click on members, you'll be able to invite members using their email address or name if they already have a Trello account. If they don't, you can simply invite them with the link, send them the link as an example. So let me just go here, show you. So once they receive the link, they will be able to simply join. And if they're not logged in, they should have logged in. Or if they don't have an account, they can simply create an account. And of course, for free. So once they added, of course, you'll find here. So let's say, example, I'm just going to add someone here. So test at gmail.com. Someone has to have this email. Yeah, this one. Click on send invite. You can even send a message. As you can see, once they accept my invite, I'll be able to assign them to or add them to a specific board of mine. For me, I'm just going to remove this guy at the moment. So of course, once you have your members there, as an example, you can go to specific board that you have as an example for I don't know, for recruitment as an example. Let's say I have this one. Just go to another one. Oh, no, just go to a random one like this one. And as an example, I'm just going to archive this. So let's say, an example, I have members, and each one of them, maybe you are a company and you're trying to recruit a lot of people. Like you're trying to recruit some IT guys, some marketing guys, some I don't know, game development guys if you're working for a game or doing a game, or it's totally up to you. So of course you can go and create lists as an example, or yeah, let's just go and say like tick. Of course, you can even create each board for each field, but I'm just going to keep that. So tick as an example, marketing, and yeah, that's only it. So I can go and click on like tick, and here find three like people to recruit. So to recruit for like something specific or something. I'm just going to type something. And here, as example, you can click on it and assign some member to it. As example, maybe this member is the one that should find three people to recruit for something. And this is for the tech option. Of course, you can do the same here. So I'm just going to copy this, go and paste this here, example, to recruit for something too. And of course, click on add card. You can assign this example to another member. For me, the only member, so I'm just going to assign myself again. And yeah, as you can see, so that's how you basically use it for recruitment. You just gotta create some tasks or to-do lists and get things done. Something is big and you think it will take a lot of time, just divide it into small steps or small tasks and everything will be okay. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.